At Walmart, and we're gonna get the Bean Boozled challenge.
Bean Boozled?
If we can find it. Alright, how do I? Alright, we'll be back.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm clear to Walmart, and
No Bean Boozled.
they don't even have it here, but on their site says that they sell it here, but they don't even have it on the shelf. So we're gonna go over. Oh my!
Oh, crap. Well,
we're gonna go over to Dollar Tree. I don't know if you can see it. It's over here. And see what kind of games that they have, and if they have any good games, we're gonna get one of those, right?
Yep.
All right. Bye. Dollar Tree. Shall be walking with this basket. We could try out Dollar Tree stuff.
Yeah, we can break.
Say hi.
Act like we're selling money. Hello. There's chess. Little miniature.
Okay, guys, we don't know
chessboard.
which game to get. I don't really have any options here either.
Not at all. Puzzles.
An apron.
Why I think I want to play a freaking puzzle?
Some wigs.
Yeah, there we go.
A hat. A cape.
Hi.
Darts. They have darts.
Really? Is it hard? You do it like that?
Pump up a balloon thingy.
But
What's that?
balloon.
Air horn. Oh
Air
god,
horn?
we don't need that.
You do pranks with that.
That would kill us. Mustache. Fake spill. I wouldn't believe that. I'm sorry.
Really? You would never believe
No, because look.
this. Look at this. That is not real. No,
Yeah.
folks, you can tell.
String.
Ow, that hurts.
Alright, well, we're going to finish looking at stuff and we'll be back.
Hold on. Y'all see my country girl around here?
Alright, we'll be back. So we decided to get sparklers
And
to let off outside.
And Chubby's getting it.
And he's crazy. And we might stop at the dollar store and get some fake hairspray to put in our hair to make us have a different colored hair.
We'll show you.
Okay,
This is our beautiful stuff.
we shall return.
We shall return.
We just made it home and it's kind of dark. Sorry about the lighting. We're going to light sparklers.
Did you eat that?
Alright, hold on.
Yes, I can. Oh.
We're hearing some creepy noises.
But we're about ready to light it.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Alright, let me light yours first.
Okay, Peter down.
I'm going to light his. Do not catch me. It's windy too. You gotta stay up here.
You blow it out, don't you?
Why is it not? Why is it not doing anything? Well, that was a fail. Here, come here.
Light it more.
Guys, this is not working. Maybe it's because it's windy. Hold on a second. I'm going to pause this.
Do it.
Alright, so we got Chubby's lit. Whoa, I didn't know it does that. I didn't know it did that. Is it done?
No.
Alright, I'm going to attempt to light mine. Let me put this here. This is a bad angle and I'm sorry. Come on.
I'll burn your ass on fire wherever you are.
Ah! That scared me.
Use the fountain.
I guess it would help if I held it straight. Woo!
Mine's dead. It's gonna be popping here in a second.
Sparklers.
Can you eat that?
Can you see it still?
Yeah.
Does it look cool?
Make a heart.
Ooh. I tried. Oh, it's out. There's still a tiny bit left. Why is it not? Where'd you put yours? Are you done, or do you want to light another one? It's windy.
Yeah.
I think we might save the other ones
For tomorrow?
for tomorrow if Chubby's here. Well, I have to get Kendra.
Yeah.
Maybe I can do one with Kendra, maybe. Maybe. We'll find out. We'll figure it out. But tomorrow in the daylight, we're going to do a hair... What would you call it?
Hair thing.
We're going to put fake hair spray dye in our hair and see if it works. And you'll have to wait till then to see what color. Alright.
Yep. See you
Bye.
later. Thanks for watching.
And like and subscribe to our channel.
You're the best. See you guys later.
Bye.
Try to get 50 subscribers or more.